You fed me through the veins, I couldn't get enough of you. It's not a home, it's passing me. There's something else inside of me, stronger than love, closer to fear. I'm letting go, I've given in, quenching myself with your skin. I feel your touch, I smell your scent. It's taking me higher. You don't know how long I have waited to touch your lips and hold you tight. Ooh, you don't know how long I have waited, and I was gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown, alone. Till now, I've always get by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. I know it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you Oh, my life is changing every day, in every possible way. And all my dreams, it's never quite as it seems, never quite as it seems. I never felt like this before, and now I'm feeling it even more, because it came from